Making money in a flea market in America is not at all hard. You can literally sell anything and everything.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. How can I help you?
How much is this?
How about $10?
I don't know if I could do 10.
How about 5?
Could you any lower than that?
You know what? You are a pretty woman, so just give me whatever you have in your pocket.
All right, you have a deal. How about $1?
Okay, I'll take $1. It's okay. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Another $1. Good morning, everyone. I'm a morning person, but it's 4:30 in the morning and this is super early for me and I don't like it. The reason we are up today this early is to make some money. How we will be making that money is by selling our stuff. Yep, selling everything. Where we will be selling all that stuff is at a flea market. Now, before I tell you more, let me get up and get fresh, and I'll see you in the car. It's 5:40 in the morning and my brain is still not properly functioning, so let's grab some coffee, an iced latte with 2 pumps of liquid sugar, and then I'll tell you what we're doing today.
Hi.
Good, how are you?
How are you?
Thank you. You too. Today we are going to a flea market to sell some stuff and make some money. What is a flea market? Well, I read on the internet, flea market came from a French word, and it just means an outside bazaar where vendors can sell previously owned items, like their own items if they want to sell and it's not in their use. Flea market is a very big culture over here in US. Almost every Sunday, a lot of places they organize these flea markets where vendors can go set up their own setup, their own table, and just put up the stuff that they want to sell. It could be anything from clothes to some expensive vintage items or anything that you can think is not of your use, and you can make some money by selling that item. You can bring that to a flea market and try to find a buyer for it. In our Desi language today, I'll be putting up a ready lagaunga main. So over here in US. So let's see how that's going to be. Never tried that before, never tried to sell anything, so hopefully it will be a fun experience. All the stuff that we'll be selling today is in the other car, so let's go grab that and head towards the flea market.
So it's $25 to come in early, and then $5 for the Dixon City Borough permit. So it's going to be $30 altogether.
Here we
Is this
go.
your first time here?
Yes, this is first time.
So welcome to the Circle Drive-In.
Thank you.
My name is Dave. You have any problems today, go to the concession stand. We'll take care of it.
Thank you so much, Dave.
Good luck.
Have a good day. So our shop is all ready and we have even started selling. While we were setting up the shop, people just came and they were looking around, and we already made almost, like, I would say $60 while just setting up a shop. In a flea market, that happen all the time because some sellers, they would just come early in the morning, walk around and try to buy stuff from other sellers so that they can resell it on their small little shop. Now let me show you what kind of shop did we set up. Come. So this is the little shop. We have all kind of stuff. Anything and everything that we could find in the house is all over here, all junk. One person's junk is someone else's toilet.
How much do you want for this?
$3 and it's yours.
How much?
3.
3?
Yes.
I think.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. And that's how you make more money. So a little update on our business. So far we are doing good. It's almost 8:40 and we came over here around 6:15, 6:30, and we have made more than, I think, $150. selling the goods that were worthless to us but worthful to someone else. So I guess someone said that right. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Oh, someone just came. Gotta sell more. A little update. It's almost 9:30 now and the business is getting slow because all the sellers are here and everyone is all set up, and there are a lot of buyers over here, so a lot of competition going on with a lot of stuff to find for everyone, whatever they want. Anyways, because everything is all set up now, so let's go for a field trip. Come. And that was our field trip. People are selling all kind of stuff, from things that they don't find of any use in their houses, that kind of stuff, from the stuff they buy from Amazon or AliExpress, some warehouse in China. Now, if you're a college student or you are someone who's trying to make a quick buck, I think flea markets are perfect opportunity for you guys, and you guys should sell something because almost everything can be sold over here. $5. They're all $5 each. I'm trying my best to sell, but it's hard. In a flea market, you do get hot, you do get hungry. So they have some food place over here, and I just brought some fries and some cheese. This good. Time for a little update. It's almost 11:30 in the morning. We sold 60% of our stuff, just a little bit of the remaining. So far, we have done super good. I think we made more than, I don't know, I don't want to say right now. I'll tell you in that how much we made. But right now the sun is so hot, it's more than 90 Fahrenheit. I don't know how long will we be staying over here, but we'll be ending it soon. So far it's a very productive day and a very profitable day. Anyways, we'll let you know more in a short while. It was a good productive day, but right now our shop is still open, but right now it's so hot that the crowd is dying out. The sellers are going away, the buyers are going away, so I think we'll also call it a day and we'll start packing out now. Whew. So after 7 hours of hard work and selling the stuff that would normally be junked out, thrown away, we sold all that stuff. Literally it was junk, but people bought it because for them it would be something valuable or something that they can use. But this is how much money we made today. $270. Yep, in 7 hours. Not bad, I guess. Overall, the experience was very good. The environment was very good. People were very friendly and nice over here. I loved the whole process. If you are a student or if you want some quick cash, I think this is the best opportunity for you to sell. You can grab stuff from anywhere, literally anywhere. Just find someone's junk or buy something out of Amazon, AliExpress, China, anywhere, and just come over here and sell it. And you can sell anything and everything over here. I hope you guys liked the vlog. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.